Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a screen protector onto my wife's new iPhone 17 Pro. It's from this company here. This one is a 3-pack. And yeah, I'm just going to be installing one of them here. When I opened up the packaging, there are some instructions inside, and I kind of messed this up a little bit, so just try to be careful when you open yours. Just make sure that before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions, and make sure that you read through all of the information on the packaging and inside of the packaging. And if any other information comes with yours, before you try this. The device is powered off. And I'm just following through the steps here, and I'm just going to show those on screen again. Okay, so just following the steps here, I'm going to start with the wet wipe here, number 1. And there were, like, for each screen protector, there was a set of wipes. Like, I believe you get 1 wet wipe and 1 dry wipe per screen protector. And like I said, this was a 3-pack. And then I think you get 3 dust absorbers too. So you can see this is brand new too. And there's already like dust and lint on it. You just really want to take your time. You really want to make sure to get all the dust and lint off. And so I'm just kind of taking my time here and using this to get all of the dust and lint off. And I think that's the key. My experience of doing these is just to take your time and be patient. And I'm doing this on I have a towel here that I'm using, which has... I'm doing this to protect the phone, but there is some risk too, like because it's a towel with like lint and stuff that, I'm kind of slightly concerned that maybe some dust or lint or that type of stuff might get on the screen, but I just have to be careful, take my time. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is use the dry wipe to dry this off. And like, see, I'm already seeing, even after the wet wipe, I'm already seeing lint and stuff, but that's okay because we got the dust absorber too. And I think the wet wipe will help, like if there's any, type of like fingerprints or those types of things on the phone, will help try to remove those. Okay, so I'm just, going to continue to dry the screen here. And okay. Like I said, patience is key. In these scenarios, like there's a piece of lint right there, but we're just gonna move that away. Okay, let's go one more time here. Okay, so now I'm going to put this onto the phone. And one thing I'm going to say too is like one thing I noticed, this says iPhone or IP16 Pro on the bottom of it. I think they just updated the listing, so now it's like for the iPhone 16 Pro and the 17 Pro maybe. Okay. This is kind of a snug fit. Okay, let's see here. I was trying not to move the phone around too much because I don't want to create any like dust moving around, Okay. So we got that on. I will say too that that was a snug fit. Okay. See, I see a piece of dust or lint or something there we're going to have to remove. So now I'm going to use, oh, and I'll also show you too on the packaging. Down here it said for iPhone 16 Pro. Yeah, like I said, I think they updated the listing. This is where it says this one was a three pieces, 3 PCS there. Okay, so now I'm going to use the dust absorber, and it's kind of like one of those things, you know, it can create anxiety. But that's my advice, is just to be patient, take your time. I'm always looking for every little piece of dust that I can see, and I'm trying not to move too much around the phone because I just don't want to stir up any dust or anything. I think I got it all. Okay, let's not overdo it. I don't see any dust. So I'm going to put the dust absorber back on this for now, just in case I need it again. And now I'm going to take out the screen protector. And okay, and this is where oh, I see another piece of dust there. Like I said, be patient, take your time. Right there. Okay. Try not to move too much, try not to create any dust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start peeling this, and as I peel it, I'm going to start placing it onto the screen. And I'm just going to be, oh, another piece of dust. See, they keep showing up, like as I'm talking and stuff. Okay. But I'm going to place it on the screen, and I'm going to try, I don't want to touch the sticky side. So here we go. Looking again. No dust there that I see. Oh, there's a piece of dust on the screen protector though. Okay, let's make sure that didn't go onto the phone. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then just placing this in. Just like that. Okay. Now, I'm just going to, this is what it shows in the instructions. I'm just going to go run my finger right down the middle here like this. I can see it start to adhere to the screen. Okay. So now I'm going to take this piece off, this outer, you know, guide or holder, just slowly, and I'm making sure that it doesn't lift up the screen protector with it. Okay, I'm just gonna set that here. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this piece. There are some instructions on it. Let me make sure you guys can see that. And I'm just going to gently just working from the center towards the edges. And there are, I don't know if it's visible on camera, but there are some small bubbles up near the top here. I'm just kind of working those towards the edges. See a little piece of lint there, but it was on the top of the screen protector. I don't see a lot of bubbles. The only ones that I really see, I'm just kind of going from the center to the edges just to make sure everything, is kind of secured down. The ones on this side have essentially disappeared. But I still see a couple right here. I don't know. You might be able to see it. It's right here. I think I can just get this one to go. Oh, I think it just did. Or it's very close to. It's gotten much smaller. Yeah, now it's gone. Or it's almost gone. It's so small right there. I think it's gone now. Okay. Just be patient. Take your time. From the center to the edges. I notice on the edges, like on the edges, it kind of needed to like stick down or whatever. Is where I kind of noticed some of the, it didn't look like it adhered, but like now it's looking a lot better. I just worked from the center to the edges. So, all right, guys, for this video, new C screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.